In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your PayPal standard account so that you can start accepting payments on your website. With AllProWebTools, it's possible to set up an e-commerce store on your website and be able to accept payments using a PayPal account. In order to do this, first you'll need the Commerce Web Tool, which you can install by going to Settings and Web Tools. Go up and click the Available Web Tools button, and then scroll down until you find the Commerce. Now you can go over and click Add. And now you have the Commerce Web Tool installed. Now, to set up my PayPal standard account, I can go to Settings and Payment Methods and click on the Credit Card tab. I can use Authorize.net or Cayenne as my payment processor, but for this video, I'm going to focus on PayPal. Specifically, I'm going to focus on a PayPal standard account, so I'll only need to concern myself with the standard account settings. All of these settings below are for a PayPal Pro account, but since I'm setting up a PayPal standard account, I don't need to worry about these. The first thing I need to do is put in the email I use with my PayPal account. Once I've updated this email, make sure to come down to the bottom here and click on Save. The next item I need to take care of is to set up my PayPal IPN. AllProWebTools provides you with the URL you need, so I'm going to highlight this and copy the URL. Now I can click on this link that says PayPal IPN Settings, and if I'm not already, it's going to ask me to log into my PayPal account. Now that I've logged in, it's taking me straight to my IPN settings. If you do not see the screen immediately, no worries. Just simply go back to your AllProWebTools console, and now that you're logged in, if you click on PayPal IPN Settings, it'll take you directly to the IPN page. Go ahead and click on Edit Settings. Where it asks for a notification URL, go ahead and paste in the URL that you copied from your AllProWebTools console. Make sure to select Receive IPN Messages and go ahead and click Save. Now that your IPN settings are set, I can go back to my AllProWebTools console. Make sure to select Ready to Take Payments underneath the standard account. Once you've selected Ready to Take Payments, you can scroll down and hit Save one more time. Now you can go to your website and you can try purchasing something from your own site. We strongly recommend you go through the checkout process and make sure you can complete an order using your PayPal account. I'm going to go ahead and log in, and now I can scroll down and select PayPal as my payment option. Then I'll just click on the Checkout with PayPal button, and it's going to ask me to log into my PayPal account. If I try to log in as the same account I just set up to accept payments from my AllProWebTools console, I'll get this message saying that the buyer and the seller can't be the same PayPal account. That means I will need to use a second personal account to finish this test charge. Now I can select my payment method and click Pay Now. And now that I've successfully purchased something, I can go back to my AllProWebTools console and go to the dashboard and take a look at the new order that was just processed. And we can see that the PayPal payment was successful. However, since this was just a test, I'm going to go ahead and return this order by going to Order Options and then selecting Return Order. By default, this is set to do a complete return, returning every single item and the full cost. Since that's what I want to do, all I have to do is put in a reason and then hit Submit. It's going to ask me to double check my refund and to confirm the refund amount before I finalize this and click on Submit Refund. If you're set up with any other credit card processor, you'd be finished returning your order. However, using a PayPal standard account has some limitations. Because I'm using PayPal Standard, I return the order in my AllProWebTools console to make sure my records are correct. But to actually refund the charge, I need to do that through my PayPal account. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a new tab and log into the account that I set up with my AllProWebTools console. Now that I'm logged in, I can go ahead and click on Payments Received. And you'll see that my most recent payment is on top, So I'm going to click on this payment to view it. And if I scroll towards the bottom, I'll see an option to issue a refund. Here, I can double check and confirm all the refund information before submitting it. So now I've successfully set up my PayPal Standard account, accepted payments through my AllProWebTools website, and then refunded my test charge to myself.